Tamara here, and thanks for coming to check out my video. So, the Rapid Profit Machine, just when you think it can't get any better, it does. So, in today's video, I want to go over the improvements, the bigger commissions that you're going to get, and I think it's even got any easier. Plus a little update on the new Rapid Profit Machine membership site, which should be ready by the end of May 2022. Okay, are you ready? This is so exciting. You're going to love it even more. And if you haven't joined already, literally after this video, I think I'll see you on the inside. Okay, let's go. Okay, so first things first, when you click that link below, then you're going to come to this page, which is kind of my splash page. So you can build your own if you want, but the one you're going to get is just like this. Okay, so you pop in your email and then confirm now, and then you're going to be taken through the Rapid Profit Machine funnel. And you get to meet James, who is a good friend of mine. He is the #1 affiliate in the world for Builderall. He's made over $1 million just with Builderall, and he's an amazing guy. Like, the value he gives us is incredible. And like I said, he's even just added some new things and increased our commissions even more. So he's given away more of his money. It's ridiculous. I love him. He's such a decent man. Okay, so like I said, you come through the funnel, and then you're going to eventually, and he takes you step by step through it, okay? And then you are eventually going to come to the Rapid Profit Machine membership site, okay? So at first you're going to come to the home page, and you need to register your account first, all right? So make sure you use the same email that you got your Builderall trial with, the 2-week free trial. And then just, create a password. And then from then on, you'll just log in, okay? So if you get stuck in the funnel, right? Because there is a couple of steps in there. They're pretty simple. One being you need to either create a new Warrior Plus account or just log into your Warrior Plus account to get your affiliate link. And then you need to add that Warrior Plus affiliate link. Basically, you're going to be emailed a Rapid Profit Machine master link. We call it the long master link. So that's the link you want. And that's what you're going to put in when you're setting up your RPM funnel. But like I said, if you get stuck for whatever reason, all you have to do is go under Help, RPM Recap. Okay, so here are all the steps again. So like I said, when you're getting your your Warrior Plus one, so you need to ask for approval to be an affiliate, and then you copy your affiliate link, and then the master link is the one you want to wait for, okay? So again, here are all the steps, okay? So if you get confused, you can also email me or go into our RPM Facebook group, or also there's a support up here too, okay? So don't worry, we got your back. All right, and then basically the master link is where you want to send your traffic to, or people, right? Traffic is like leads, people, right? And also in my bonuses, I have a whole page of traffic for you as well. Or in one of the OTOs in the RPM funnel, it's like $7, and you get all of James's secret traffic sources as well. So we got you covered between us for traffic. Okay, so once you've got everything set up properly, you want to come back. You want to come over here to your next steps, because it doesn't end then. He is even going to send you free traffic to your RPM, your Rapid Profit Machine master link as well. So every month you can do this. I just did mine for this month. So you want to come to your next steps, okay? And then you're going to create your Facebook post in the RPM Facebook group. So we're coming up to almost 9,000 members. So once you've done that, you go to your next step. Again, he walks you through every single step with the video. Okay, we even has a training for TikTok. I do very, very well with TikTok. So TikTok and YouTube are probably my two biggest organic or free traffic sources that I personally do. Okay, and then you're going to post your first TikTok video, although you don't have to use TikTok if you don't want to. Say that you use Instagram or YouTube Shorts. Any kind of video will work, but like I said, I really recommend TikTok. And then you click on here, give me my free traffic. Okay, so this is to get the free traffic on his traffic rotator. Okay, so you just put in your full name, the email that you join RPM and Builderall with. Make sure it's all the same, right? And then you enter your RPM master link. You put in, and you're gonna have to copy and paste for these. Okay, so like Control and V for Windows. I don't know what it is for Mac, sorry, because you can't just do it by right clicking. It won't work. So Control and V, and then you get your link of your TikTok video or Instagram Reels or YouTube, anything like that. Okay, and your Facebook URL post. Again, he shows you exactly how to get all those links, and then you just unlock instant access. So you can do this like the beginning of the month, every single month, and you're going to get free traffic from James that he pays for himself. I mean, seriously, it's ridiculous. Okay, so once that's all done, you can now go back, and especially if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, he has all this free training. Now you're always going to have access to this membership site. We're getting a whole new, like a brand new RPM membership site by the end of May latest. Okay, so it's even swankier looking. So like lots and lots of training, free training here for you. Okay, like for example, let's just look at this one. Okay, like check it out, right? There's a video under each one of these. And like I said, same for Facebook marketing, solo ads, email, mindset hacks. Oh, another thing is if you submit a testimonial, it has to be a 1-minute video testimonial. It can be pro or negative about RPM, although I don't know how you could possibly think anything negative about it. But then you also have a chance to win 1,000 solo ads, which is $995 in value, because he does a monthly contest for testimonials, as well as there is contests and prizes. You can look under here. Like today, I just won 100 free clicks, solo ad clicks today, because I was in the top of the leaderboard and Builderall, like in the top 10 for last month. So, I mean, like I said, this guy, James Neville Taylor, is the man. And I won 100 clicks last month too, because I posted one of the first TikTok videos when he was launching RPM 2.0. This is coming up as RPM 3.0. That's what I mean. He's always improving it. Always, always. So I love it. Now let's get to the good stuff. The commissions. Okay, so this is for RPM Pro. I'm going to show you the commissions, and then I'm going to take you back to the RPM Pro and the products, okay? So this is literally how you can make, like, I don't know, there's like over 20 different income streams, right? So if you upgrade to RPM Pro, which is another OTO offer, right? Instead of as a free member, you're going to make 25% across the board of the RPM OTA, like the RPM products, right? As a free member, 25%. You're going to make 10% commissions on MAB, which is $1,000 amazing system. And MAB, which is Massive Affiliate Blueprint, that's like the Rapid Profit Machine on steroids. I have that as well. And I have a video on here, which I'll put the link underneath this video too, so you can check that out because it's mind-blowing. And then the MAB Lite, you get 5% commissions, and that's $5,000 system, okay? So that's as a free member. These are for the pros. So RPM Pro, you make 50% commissions on everything. All right, so let me just go back to, okay, so under product access, you'll find the RPM Pro. So you can join RPM Pro from your membership site. And because everyone, like, so say that someone joins under you, you're still going to get the credit for it. So they don't have to necessarily buy in the funnel. They can buy from the membership site and you will get the commissions. Okay, so there you go as well. You'll find it under here. Because basically he's moved everything from Builderall into Warrior Plus now. So that's where you'll find any products you do buy in the funnel, you'll find it there. So with RPM Pro, you double your commissions. So like I said, now you're making 50% across the board. So instead of 25% on the RPM products and 5 and 10% on the MAB, you're going to be making 50% across the whole board.
RPM Superstar, congratulations again.
So instead of making a possible $16.25 as a free Rapid Profit Machine member, like if they bought everything, right? That goes up to $3,250 from possibly like one lead, right? I know, ridiculous. And it's only $29.90 a month to double your profits. What? I don't know what he's thinking. Like, seriously. Like, check this out. What? And not only that, you're going to get, as an RPM Pro member, you're also going to get free. Look at, there's me. I'm very honored to be on his RPM Pro page. So know that you're also going to get free tracking link software. You're going to get VIP training and a few other little bits and bobs he's thrown in there. And also, I've just seen today, for the month of May, he's giving away randomly 10,000 solo ad clicks to all RPM Pro members. Okay? So they're going to be sporadic, they're going to be wherever. So honestly, get involved in May. If you're going to do it now. All right, so that is the RPM Pro. And then he's also added, I want to show you 2 more. So there's the main RPM Pro, and then he's added 2 more. So let me show you those as well. And also remember, RPM Pro is monthly recurring, okay? So 50% of monthly recurring. And now there's 3 RPM Pro plans. Okay, so the one I was just showing you, right? And you're also beginning to be getting, he's going to be adding every month new like marketing materials that you can use that are done for you, right? So that's to say, so you get double all the commissions, including $1,000 and $5,000 products, 50%, right? You get advanced training. And like I said, that's only less than $30 a month. Now, RPM Pro Max, you're going to get everything in RPM, but you're also going to get 1 PLR, which is private label rights, product per month, and it's unique to him, okay? That's not like crappy PLR you can get anywhere, right? This is unique stuff that's created for James every month. You're going to get the sales page that goes with the product as well every month. It'll just be added to your Builderall account and your Cheetah, part of Builderall. So in your Builderall account, which is like an all-in-one marketing platform, again, I have videos about Builderall, which I've been using for 4 years, and I'm like Canada's first certified partner, and that's when I met James in 2017. We did the course together. Okay, so this is $69.90 a month. Remember, you're still getting the double commissions, but you're now getting a product that you can also earn 50% commissions on, a new one every single month. Now, if you want to go to the RPM Pro VIP, so you get everything again, but you're also getting, which this is unheard of, right? So the new PLR product every month that you get in here, but you're also going to get an extra one that James creates himself and 7-day done for you emails, but you're going to get it 1 week before anyone else does. So that means you're going to get it a week before anyone else can promote it, including James. James is letting you promote his own product every month a week before even he does. Like, that's unheard of. All right, that's just crazy. And remember, as an RPM Pro, whichever one you choose, you're making 50%, and this is monthly recurring, right? On top of everything else. Like, just ridiculously mind-blowing. And one last thing, just again, to blow your mind, I was talking about the Massive Affiliate Blueprint earlier. Well, with the Massive Affiliate Blueprint, or we call it MAB for short, you get, look, 75% commissions across the board of all the RPM products and on MAB and MAB Elite. Look, and I just made one of these sales today. $750 for MAB. It only costs $1,000. So please check out my Massive Affiliate Blueprint review because it's mind blowing. You think the Rapid Profit Machine is ridiculous, because it is. This is going to blow your socks off, right? So literally, you make 1.5 sales and you're in profit, or say 2 sales, right? Or the Mabilite, you'll make $3,750, right? Plus all the RPM products. I know, crazy. It gets even better. I've taken a page out of James's book, and I have some awesome bonuses for you as well. So this is for MAB as well as RPM, okay? You're going to come to this page. I've added the link into your Warrior Plus. So here, what you want to do, once you become a paid Builderall member, like after your 2-week free trial, or when you get MAB, right away I'll send it. I'm gonna send you my copy of my free and premium bonus pages. So your free one, you're gonna put that link in there, okay? Like your own link, right? Because I basically transferred over this page and my premium page over to your Cheetah account, okay? So you just publish it, connect a subdomain to it, and boom, away you go, okay? Even just joining my email list, you're gonna get these 4 things for free, okay? And this is the masterclass for MAB, actually, from James, which is very, very helpful and educational. And then once you became a paid member of Builderall, basically I send you a copy of the premium page that has all of these links active, okay? So I've included as much training as I can to help you succeed in your online business with the Rapid Profit Machine and or including a free vacation to 16 destinations, okay? That covers your hotel, not your flights, but your hotel. All right, who does this? And you also get a 5% discount on his solo ads. Okay, lots and lots of training. And like I said, not only do you get all these bonuses for yourself, but you can then use them for your leads and then pass those bonus pages down to your leads so they can use them too. Because that's the thing, right? You're with Builderall, with their affiliate program, you make 30% commissions on 2 levels deep. So in order to use the Rapid Profit Machine and Massive Affiliate Blueprint, you need to have an active Builderall account. I mean, that can start at $14.95 a month, so it's not even like it's expensive, but you just need to have an active account, right? The Rapid Profit Machine is free to use, and obviously the MAB is a one-time payment. And then, of course, if you want to upgrade to one of the RPM Pro memberships, then that's a monthly thing, okay? So that's the only thing you need is an active Builderall account. So you're also earning commissions in Builderall, right? On your 30%, which is on 2 levels. So this is what I've earned so far. So coming up to $8,000 just in Builderall. So basically, say that Sally joins me, right? I make 30% commissions. And then Sally brings in Bob. Well, I make 30% commissions on Bob's as well. That's the beauty. It's awesome. Again, I have Builderall videos on here you can check out. Okay, so that is just, so almost $8,000 there. And then Warrior Plus, I've made over 1,000. So James just transferred over. Okay, so that's just in my last 30 days, but it's at over 1,000 now in the last 45 days probably. So yeah, so James just transferred everything over to Warrior Plus from Builderall. Okay, so I'm getting commissions from 3 different places. And then this was the super checkout. This is all RPM products, okay? And I've made, I don't know, at least $3,000 in here. 3, 4, 8. So yeah, I'm coming up to about $13,000 in commissions through the RPM. So what are you waiting for? Just click that button and go. And I will always be available to help you, as well as in the RPM Facebook group. But you just reply to any of my emails and I will help you one-on-one. No problem. Okay, I think that's it. I hope you're super excited as much as I am. And I will see you on the inside. All right, have an awesome day. Make sure you subscribe. It's got a lot more good things coming. All right, cheers.